everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story. It's Celestia and thank you so much for stopping by. I want to do a happy mail, thank you, shout out, all of the above this morning because I feel so incredibly blessed. I have 3 happy mails here that I've received over this last month. Excuse me. One is a winning though. One is from Jenny's Crafty Corner. And I won her, she has a monthly draw for her Wing It Wednesday, and it's a hashtag that she hosts. So please pop across to Jenny's channel. I'm going to list all 3 ladies' channels in the description below because they're all amazing and so talented, and I'm so blessed that they sent me these happy mails and winnings. So starting with Jenny, it came all the way from the UK in this cute little envelope with all these gorgeous little stickers. I love butterflies, so butterflies definitely. I think I should just move this aside, then it'll be easier to work on them one by one. And it's amazing how much Jenny got into this packet. I mean, just look, it just was incredible. But I think what caught my eye the most were these clusters. I mean, these clusters are gorgeous. I mean, they are fluffy and textured and layered and just so beautiful. And then there's more, tons more. I suppose I'm going to have to move it along, but I've been gaga over these. Just so, they're just fluffy and just cozy and just awesome. I don't think I've ever, I mean, I've seen clusters, but not as textured as this. It's so pretty, Jenny. Really, really beautiful. And then all these little London stickers. I love them. So cute. And all these little pockets and more stickers and more little embellishments and a tag, and then of course this on its own is a pocket that I can use in my journals. I have a couple of journals that I haven't completed, and now with all these bits and bobs I have so much. Look at this. This can be a pocket too if I just put glue here. More stickers, more butterflies and flowers, more stickers. Beautiful stamped and colored and watercolored picture, handmade with love, Jenny's Crafty Corner. And then she left me a little note with this really beautiful card. Look at those little googlies. Oh goodness. Beautiful. And she left it blank so I can use it, which is really awesome as well. Just adds to the stash, right? And then in her message she says, Wing It Wednesday winner, congratulations. Dear Celeste, hope you are well. Thank you so much for joining in with Wing It Wednesday. I hope you like what I've made for you. I love it. I absolutely love it. I've written a note on here so you can reuse the card if you would like. Mostly handmade, but I couldn't resist popping in some UK bits, all the stickers. Yay! So grateful to have found a lovely friend across the water in you. Crafty hugs and thank you. Love, Jenny and Daisy. And Daisy, paw print. So awesome. Jenny, thank you very much. I absolutely love all of this, and they are all gonna, everything's gonna go in my journal for sure. So I'm gonna move this just aside for a second. And so recently I got across that elusive 1,000 subscriber mark, which honestly I thought at one point thought I would never reach. It feels, you know, like this little mountain that you can't climb. So I'm barely across. I think I'm 11 or so subscribers across that milestone, and I'm hoping to grow a bit more. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. It'll mean the world to me. So Penny from Penny's Crafty Corner sent me a little note, which is the sweetest ever. I mean, it was so unexpected. Excuse me. And just these 2 incredibly beautiful vintage papers. I have so much stash with what Jenny sent, and now with Penny's little add-on stash as well. I've got so much that I can add to my new journal. And it says, Hi Celeste, thank you for all you do. thank you, Penny, because you amazing. You give so many great ideas on your channel. I watch all the time. Congratulations on reaching your milestone. So well deserved, and more. Love your channel. Hugs, Penny. Love your channel right back, Penny. Thank you so, so much. And of course, look at those. Look at those mushrooms. Too cute. And then look at this card, guys. I mean, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Just gorgeous. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I think I might even be able to cut this out and actually use it. I'll take this washi away. I think I can use that. And then, yeah. Yep. See? Lots of ideas coming my way. And then the last one is this package, which was also unexpected. It's from Virginia. And Virginia sent me all of these. I mean, honestly, Virginia, did I say it was Penny from Penny's Crafty Corner? I hope I did. And then Virginia Martin this is her package that she sent. I've actually, believe it or not, never done a diamond painting. And I can't even tell you why. I just haven't. I've just never done one. But, I mean, I have absolutely no excuse now. Like, no excuse. These are so awesome. So awesome. Just look at this. So, Virginia sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you guys. 5. I mean, these are, look at this tulip. So pretty. So, there's a tulip. It's a little bigger one. And then the butterfly. And then the teacup with the flowers. And then this one is a little sort of coaster-sized flower, and then some cherries. And since I've never done any of these, I think I'm going to start with one of the smaller ones, probably the cherries, and see how I go. And just, you know, put it on the side and kind of come and go with it, which I really love, because sometimes your mind just needs a bit of a reset, right? And so just being able to come and sort of put down a couple of little beads at a time. It's going to be, I can't actually wait. I haven't opened it, obviously, because I wanted to show you guys and thank Virginia. And then she sent me this card. And Virginia really needs a little bit of love right now. She had a small accident. She just put up a video, I think, and she's having to heal. And so I'm just sending a lot of love and healing hugs virtually, of course, her way. So Virginia, I hope you feel better soon. And then this cute little card, and in there, God bless you. God bless you, Virginia. And she says, Dear Celeste, I hope you are well. I'm sorry in the delay in sending you this happy mail. Oh, no worries. These are some diamond paintings I had extras on, especially one you liked, the tea one. I do remember I commented on that. Especially one you liked, the tea one, when I hauled it. Please feel free to share forward if you already have got these. Blessings, Virginia. And then she just gives all her handles. Virginia, I might hoard these just for a little while because, you know, I've never done one. But yes, thank you so much. These are amazing. And I want to sit with my mom. Maybe her eyesight's not great, but I thought maybe with the bigger ones, maybe I could sit with her and we can work together a little bit. So guys, thank you. I'm so blessed, and I am dying to get into my journals and start the diamond painting. It's going to be awesome. I hope you all have a fantastic rest of your day and week and weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye.